Musicall.
It's time to learn! Let's go!
By now, you would know what semibrief, minim, crotchets, and the dotted value of the notes are. Having an equal value, each of these notes has its very own rest symbols. Let's start with the biggest value, 4, your semibrief. Now, a semibrief rest looks like this. It's like a tiny little table, or you can picture it as a T with a very bulky body. When you have a semibrief rest, you rest for 4 counts. Let's listen to the beat and count silently. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. On a stave, this is how you draw a semibrief rest. Find line 4. Then, draw a small rectangular box attached and hung down from line 4, like so. Moving on to our next note, a dotted minim rest. A dotted minim has 3 counts. This is a dotted minim rest, which lasts 3 counts as well. A dotted minim rest looks like a tall hat with a ball on the right. Let's listen to the dotted minim rest count. Well done! Next, let's see how a dotted minim rest is drawn on a stave. First, find line 3. Now, draw a rectangular box on line 3 just like a tall hat. Put a firm and round dot on the right of the hat, and there you have it, a dotted minim rest.
I'll try my best to juggle all of these. I promise.
Very funny. Next, we have the minim rest, a rest that holds 2 counts. Let's listen to the beat. 1, 2. If you have noticed, the symbol for a minim rest is very similar to the dotted minim rest. The difference is that minim rests do not have the dot. Here is how you draw a minim rest on the stave. Look for line 3, draw a rectangular box sitting on line 3, and there you go, a minim rest.
I have a question.
Yes?
What happened to the tiny lines on the semibrief and minim rest?
Oh, when you draw the rests on the stave, it's already sitting or hanging on the stave lines.
I see.
Without the stave, you will only see a rectangular box. It's only when you're writing these rests without the stave, you put in that bottom or top line. This will also determine if it's a minim rest or semibrief rest.
Now I really get it.
Good. Now, last but not least, a crotchet rest. A crotchet has 1 count. Thus, your crotchet rest is 1 count as well. This is your crotchet rest. Kind of looks like a lightning bolt, doesn't it?
It surely does.
This is how long a crotchet rest count is. 1. Let's repeat. 1. To draw a crotchet rest is a tad more difficult compared to the other rests. It looks as if you're drawing a lightning bolt, but with some rules you must apply. Here goes. Look for space 4, glide down like this, and stop in space 3. Stay here, and then make a small dash to the left. Next, glide down and stop in space 2. Here's the final step that you need to pay extra attention to. From this point in space 2, draw a C curving down and end in space 1. And voila! There you have it, your crotchet rest. That's all for today. Here's a recap of the notes, their rests and their values. Semibrief, semibrief rest, 4 beats. Dotted minim rest, 3 beats. Minim, minim rest, 2 beats. Crotchet, crotchet rest, 1 beat. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, now is the time to do so. If you wish to see more videos from us, click on the notification bell icon to receive our latest post. Have fun and see you soon!